I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, big pullback. Remember, I'm giving away $2,000 in Bitcoin at the end of the month. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. Bitcoin weekly chart. I noticed that this upper trend line is perfectly parallel with this lower trend line. So you have to wonder, okay, well, is this the top of the pattern? Potentially could get some really good altcoin trading if Bitcoin can just move sideways for, the rest of the month. Essentially, here's your high, your low. I mean, if this is the next high, this would be a lower high. Wouldn't be a good scenario. This is confirmed. I mean, the weekly hasn't closed yet, but this is just, some of the thought process I've been having. You've had decreasing volume on increasing price with bearish idea. This pullback was pretty sizable pullback. I mean, I was looking for some type of pullback, but not necessarily this size. This weekly bearish stochastic cross potentially confirmed. After this candle, really want to see what happens with this weekly close. What you don't want to see is this stochastic RSI come down below the overbought levels. Zoom in some of the lower term time frames. Bitcoin daily chart. So you want to see, man, this is a crazy long wick, which, I mean, we've seen wicks like this before. The market needed a reset. I'm going to show you how I knew there is an idea for a pullback coming. We're going to talk about that in just a second. Obviously, there's some bearish divergence here that's been confirmed on the daily chart, a higher time frame. So again, you want to see the bulls close back above this like 48,130 level, back into this pattern. This 618 fib level, anytime you get these fake outs above, essentially this is a bull trap, right? Everybody opens up longs because you have previous resistance that gets broken, and then everybody goes longs here, and longs get completely liquidated and wrecked based on this idea. Same thing, same exact scenario happened here, and you had this essentially a bull trap, right? And after this, I mean, you have to think about it. Why? Okay, so the price action, the bulls were able to break above this level, this previous all-time high back here, and then they weren't able to come down here and they weren't able to hold it, right? So you have to, this is a sign of weakness, right? Same exact thing happened here. This also happened down here as a bear trap, right? You have all this resistance in here, right? You see this comes down and you get this move down here at about 28,000. Everybody goes short. Everybody goes short. The market's trying to take the most amount of money from the majority of the people, right? Everybody goes short here, and then this market goes the complete opposite direction and bears get trapped. So it was a record number of liquidations right here. Longs completely got destroyed. This is a Bitcoin CME futures chart, 4 hour, right? You have this rising channel. Now what you don't want to see is potentially a bearish retest, and you'd look for more downside if the price action not able to break back up into this pattern. I mean, if you just take a measured move of this pattern, I mean, that puts you right around 42,800. It's completely plausible to think that Bitcoin, goes sideways or slow downtrend over the course of the rest of the month. I mean, this is a pretty sizable move. This changes things. On the 4 hour chart, you can see, I mean, this is pretty key support level that needs to hold to prevent more downside. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person joined the group over a year ago, and he's up 40,000%. A lot of people, it's very common in this market to get caught up in, and all you're doing is you're focused on making profits, right? Have to be able to take money from this market. You have to be able to realize these profits, right? So part of being real successful, real profitable is knowing when to take profits. This person made 100,000 euros since he joined the group in May. And again, locking in profits is the key. This person, he said, I love your hunger for knowledge, Chris. And I said, this is like a 1,000-piece puzzle. This gets easier and easier. He's been in the group for a little while. He said, you're a great teacher. I managed to come through this dip 10% up. Listen, we have these strategies that we use, oversold bounce ideas, where you can make a ton of money to offset losses while these coins pull back. Like, you buy these bounces, you want to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups daily. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. If you look in the description of this video, there's a link to take you directly to the website. I still have some PayPal spots open. If you want to pay for the year with PayPal money transfer, just email me and I'll give you the instructions so you can pay with PayPal money transfer for 1 year only. These are some of the recent winners we've had: 304%, 361%, 603, 321, 328, 323, 334, banging. Yesterday afternoon, I posted, actually morning, 10:30 a.m., I posted in group the funding rates, right? Everybody is long, like they're way out of whack. Long's paying shorts. I said everybody is still long. At some point, the market will reset. So these funding rates will reset with a corrective move. I'm looking for some type of pullback, right? And so last night, 8:30, looking at this move, hey, the bulls need to hold the support. If they don't, and it's all about to happen. These moves, it's hard to, you're not trying to predict them, but TA will give you the ability to time these moves. So it's real important. I had a lot of people hitting me up, super bullish. Everybody's super happy. There's too much greed in the market, So I went ahead, I sold my Bitcoin at $52,467, sold Litecoin at $217, and sold Ethereum at $3,900. Obviously selling Bitcoin at $52,000. I mean, it wasn't the perfect top, but I mean, it was a few $100s off the top, so that was pretty good as far as that goes. And I could have been wrong, you know, and my strategy, taking profits, I take profits all the time, right? And I miss moves sometimes, right? In this case, the funding rate idea was a leading indicator for this pullback, as well as, you know, there's just too much greed in the market. This is the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. And so this morning I woke up, had to go run some errands, trying to get this office situation set up. And I saw this and I said, the bulls, they failed to get a bullish retest, right? This is a swing pattern failure, right? So this is very bearish. And so I said, hey, if the bulls can't pop back above and hold this level, you're looking for more downside. Now the measured move is just down here, 48,600, right? Looking for a move to here. I mean, who wants to take another $1,100, $1,200 pullback? So a lot of people close positions potentially on this idea. You got your key support level, bang. Yeah, it's kind of risky to trade. So essentially you want to wait for things to kind of calm down. You want to see where the daily candle closes. That's what I want to see, this daily candle close back up here, and then, you know, still in the pattern. But bulls, they did an amazing job buying up this pullback, and again, it's happened multiple times previously in this previous price action. Like when the bulls come in and their strongest group of buyers are sitting down here waiting for these crazy retests. Real quick on these funding rates. So basically, when all these are super red, it's not a good sign, right? It means everybody's long. Right now, it's reset the market, right? So it reset, all the longs got completely wrecked. If you're long, you probably got liquidated. If you're not a very amazing trader, spot trading, like definitely you do have no business trading with leverage. This is Bitcoin dominance, and we talk about this all the time. Your major moves out of Bitcoin, you can time them based on this idea. So you see you got this support bounce. You've got a falling wedge. Alt season is here. Alt season, right? Bitcoin season. Right? So if this is a 68% chance this breaks to the upside, when this breaks up, the altcoins just won't move as well. Will you see one more move down and one more good run out of the altcoins? The key is this. We've found a pocket of small caps, DeFi coins, these Kucoin gem picks, which I'll have for you tomorrow, or potentially I'll make a video later on. I want to see what Asia does when they wake up. But these Kucoin gem picks and these coins that these small caps and micro cap coins, like they do something different than the rest of the market. While potentially a lot of the major altcoins can do one thing, these small caps, you want to make your losses back quickly, I can help you. Like these small caps, it gets insane, right? It's crazy. Like these gem picks been phenomenal. And you know, obviously they pull back what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin gives direction to the market. Bitcoin pulls back, all the altcoins are going to pull back, but the strong altcoins don't pull back as much. So I've got a couple that I'm watching on my whiteboard, and like these are coins, they hardly even pulled back. Like some coins are down 20% or more, And I found some gem picks that you saw maybe like 3, 4, 7% pullbacks. That's it. Why does that happen? Because they're strong. People are holding them. People are buying them. There's news catalysts. There's strong technical patterns, right? And so you have to be in the right coins. And so understand this Bitcoin dominance really is made up mostly of your larger cap coins. So break out and move higher here could be bad for your larger caps. Ethereum as an example, so understand how Bitcoin dominance work. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.